From the company KBZZ, it's a 36-inch walnut ceiling fan, a tri-blade. Check online for further details about the colors they offer. We're going to go over and show you how simple and easy this is to install. It is a super quiet DC motor fan for indoor and outdoor underneath covering for use. This is how we're going to show you and what you get inside the box. From the company KBZZ, it's a 36-inch walnut ceiling fan tri-blade made of wood. These are the blades. They measure up to 36 inches when on the motor. Everything on the table is what you get included. You get a 5-inch and a 10-inch gimbal bar. If you want to hang the taller bar, you change the gimbal on to so. You get a remote control. We'll give you a nice close-up look at the remote control. This is what the remote has: 9 functions, natural wind, timer, 6 speeds, and more. The unit does not have a light or LED light. It has a very quiet, small motor. Today, you're given anchors to hang to concrete and to wood. You don't need a beam-to-beam bracket. You can simply hang it anywhere imaginable. We're going to now show you how to assemble the fan. You're given the hardware, 8 set bolts, 2 are not needed. You have the motor turn upside down, and what you're going to be looking for is the cosmetic metal bracket, and you're going to take one of the blades and match it up to the rubber of the motor. Then you're going to take the bracket and you're going to place it on and match all the holes up. Slide in your bolt of each one. You're going to take a screwdriver, optional, and start to tighten down. A close-up look. Placing on, placing the bolt through, and locking down. Repeat for the last one, and secure all the bolts down tightly. Lift and turn the fan around. With the short gimbal and pole, slide through. With the cosmetic cover over the screws, slide on. And place on the motor cover, slide all the way up. With the module and lead, slide through. What you're going to do now is remove the pin and bolt. Loosen up the 2 set screws on the main pole. Match the holes up. Slide the bolt through and set the pin. Before closing down, tighten up all bolts and secure down. With the controller, match lead for lead, white, black, and red, and lock into place. The white and blue is for lighting, not needed. Hook up your load and neutral. We have 2 bolts on the bottom, screws. Loosen up. Find your bracket on top and hang. Lift your ceiling fan and start to hook all your leads up. Hook your grounds. Place your neutral and loads together and place on your module to the top. Lock down your cover by rotating and lifting up the cosmetic cover. Your fan is now assembled. Find a location to hang your cradle and place in your remote control. Turn on your switch and turn your ceiling fan on. We have the ceiling fan hooked up. It's on speed number 3. It has an on and off button in the center as well as a all off An optional LED light for makes and models. Check online for further details about the models the company makes. You have a wind control that you hit. It goes through all the speeds, low, medium, high, low, so forth. It acts as a gentle breeze of outdoor wind. You have here is a forward and reverse by hitting the center. The fan will stop. Hit the reverse button and the fan will slow down and stop. It will do a check and reverse. It is going counterclockwise. You have 6 speeds on and off. You have a random speed and so forth. Check online for further details about the controls. So if you're looking for a sailing fan in a walnut 36 inches, this fan may be something that you are looking for. The lightweight motors can be hung on wooden sailings and concrete sailings with the set screw hardware kit. And this is a weight that goes on top of the sailing fan, like so, for balancing out the blades. Simply hit speed number 2, readjust it, speed number 2, until the wobble goes away. This is KBZZ Sailing Fan. I hope you enjoy the product if this is right for you.